How to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Yahoo Mail's verification problem. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So to fix your Yahoo verification code problem, what you'll need to do is make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. So check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes even the biggest problem will just be your Wi-Fi. So check for your Wi-Fi. If it's not working, you can use your mobile data as well. And after you've done checking your network, what you can do is go to your Yahoo Mail. Make sure you're logged in already. And what you'll need to do here is you'll need to check if your email and your phone number are correct in your Yahoo. So basically your contact details. So you can go to your profile, go to your settings, you can go to your manage accounts here, you can check for your account, you can basically check for your emails from which you can check from right here. And after you've done that, make sure your emails and your contact details are correct. Now if you're not getting your Yahoo mails, what you can do is head over to the spam. So check for your spam, tap on the inbox button on the bottom left, and there you'll find spam. Tap on spam and check if you've received the verification code there. So sometimes what happens is your ISP or internet service provider is simply blocking your Yahoo mails. So make sure that's not the case. You can contact your your ISP to talk about it. And finally, what you can do is you can restart your device. You can restart your Android or iPhone, whichever you use. A simple reboot can sometimes resolve your devices or your network's problem. The other is clear out your cache. To clear out your cache of your Yahoo Mail, go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, then search for Yahoo Mail. So I'll just search for it here and offload the app to clear out its cache. Tap on offload app, and after the offload completes, reinstall it back again. Doing that will clear out the cache. And finally, you can use the updated version of the app as well. So for that, head over to App Store, search for Yahoo Mail, and right there you can search for Yahoo Mail. And if you see an update button instead of open, update the app, and doing all those should fix your problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.